Westinghouse WER052C2X045N06 electric water heater with durable 316L stainless steel tank. For starters, customers claim this model has a lifespan of around 2 years, and occasionally were delivered damaged, dented, with parts missing, or the unit itself took an unheard-of amount of time to be delivered, causing the customer weeks of frustration trying to track the hot water heater down. Other customers claim they required a licensed plumber to install the unit. Customer support commented that the dents and damages most likely occurred during shipping and were only outer cosmetic defects. Regardless of the consumer's complaints and issues, Westinghouse claims their water heaters will last a lifetime and that the inside of the tank they guaranteed would probably work just fine. Constructed of laser-welded durable stainless steel, this model weighs in at only 118 pounds, stands 5 foot tall, and works with a 52-gallon capacity tank. 2 inches of thick, heavy-duty, non-descriptive insulation lines the tank, and overall this hot water heater delivers 66 gallons of water in the first hour. Standard brass inlet, outlet, and heat traps, plus an adjustable surface-mounted control panel come standard. Safety features at the top of the unit. After registering the unit, Westinghouse guarantees a lifetime limited warranty only on inner tank leakage issues. So here's some pros. 1. Lightweight tank. 2. 52-gallon capacity. And 3. Delivers 66 gallons of hot water in the first hour. And now the cons. 1. Many consumer complaints. 2. Units delivered damaged. 3. Very limited warranty. And 4. Questionable construction and materials.